I haven't had this problem in a while. The lens fogs up because of the humidity not in the house. There we go, that's better. So we got to put it into the pots and put those in the sunk to clean up the sliming. Little bits and pieces and shit like that. So that's no big deal. So big thanks to Sharkie for cleaning that kind. At least, you know, with that. How to clean slime off your lawn will not be seen at this time, so that we may bring you it's already cleaned up. Actually, it's not. The long and short of the story here is, you ever hear the expression, it's not a party until something breaks, or unless something breaks? Yeah, it's not. There's still a little bit here. I was going to use the mystery pump, but it turns out that Sharkie came out here and sprayed all this down, and while there's still tons of slime here, I just scooped it up. This year I didn't put it in a bag in a bucket. I had a new bucket, and I just put it in the fucking bucket and throw the whole fucking bucket out. I broke one.
Do you have thermometers there?
Yeah, we certainly do.
Yes, I need some. Do you have large ones?
Whatever you need, we have.
Some that don't break so easy?
Of course.
I broke one.
Yeah, the shark put the hose down. Now this was already, I can't blame him because this was already ready to go. You see like the bulge over here? Yeah, there was one here and it just chose today. So it's sitting here and I come outside before to go to clean this shit up and it's like a fucking sprinkler going. And I said, oh, that's nice. Okay. Well, unfortunately it wasn't quite in the right spot, but it was close, so this doesn't feel too bad. I think there's a few patches in the front that a little more spraying with the hose, and I'll just take it day by day and see what that does. But that's not really what this video is about, like I had said. So what time did you wake up today?
Around 8:30.
8:30. Fucking have to go up there thinking he fucking like broke himself. Go up there like almost 10:30 and I'm like, hey, I got breakfast going. And he's like, oh, yeah, no shit. Okay, good. So I had the Shark here. So I got out the Ambiano omelet maker. Got to clean it from earlier this morning. It even has a picture of stuff on it. But went down to the bar and I said, I need rum. And I knew I had Sailor Jerry and that's all the rum I own. That's not going to work. It's going to have to. Ooh, Coco López. Why is it in there? Because I actually read the can for a change. This is the stuff you use to make the authentic Piña Colada, and the only stuff. And now the label is falling off. But it actually said somewhere on here, yeah, it congeals when it's cold, and because the AC, I figure I'll just put it in some warm water like that. I have not made real Piña Coladas in fucking forever. So we're going to try our paws at this, see what happens. Look what else I had to get. Actual dull Panoply juice and not Aldi kind? They didn't have that kind when I was there. I was like, what? How dare you? I can't stand it. So the recipe on here calls for like 4 ounces of that, which will give you almost 4 servings, but it doesn't say how much it makes. It's like they give you the recipe here, but it doesn't say, you know, serves 12 or serves 5 or it doesn't give you any shit. So I think the last time I made this, I used like 1/3 of the can, half the can, something like that. I don't even remember. Let me get some ice first. Put the ice in the blender. I'm not going to go overboard on the ice because I got to make more ice. Dinner's always a production.
Huh, yeah, dinner's always a production.
So, we put enough. Oh, one more. That's going to have to be enough. That's what the gas gauge in your car is. F is for full and E is for enough. Put that back in the frozer. And now we're going to shake up the Panoply juice. This is Grandma's. was Grandma's. It's the only one I got. It's vintage. Doesn't give you much of a handle on it, but damn if it doesn't work, right? Oops. So, pour in the pineapple juice. I have not opened one of these or made these in many years, so all I remember is this kind of like gunky shit. Yep. Whoa, oh, arteries. Oh, my arteries are hardening. Holy shit. Don't do that kind. They're good. Oh, no. Oh. Frickin' hell. Let's stir. Yeah, there we go. Dangerous shit. Don't do that guy. It's gonna make a mess. That wasn't a good idea. Have a bigger spoon? I don't. Great. Fantastic. Damn it. Alright, we're gonna have to just make a mess with it. Just pour about that much in there. Yeah, it's about half the can, about what I used to do. Sailor, Jerry, spiced, rum. 92 proof. I haven't drank rum in a long time. Yep. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
It's like you go to the person at the deli, and he just goes like, yeah, and
he goes, you go in there, you're like, yeah.
Yeah, and then
He just said it.
and then you go to him and you ask him like, yeah, can I get the buffalo chicken special, please? Oh, yeah, sure. Yeah, buffalo chicken special. I can't do it.
So we'll see how it comes out. I don't know. All right, do that. We got our blender. Oh, it's Piña Coladas. I love that kind. Oh, there's mud in your eye. Or this time you're slime in your eye. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's gonna work. That's gonna work. I love that kind. Yeah.
Yeah?
That's gonna work. Oh yeah. Nice stuff. Even got a little bit left. So, the madness part of the title of this video happens after we make the next batch and go through that. Anyway, just wanted to share that with you because it's been, oh fuck, I don't even remember how many years. First time I had a real Piña Colada was well over 20 years ago. And, that's good. It's been a long time since I made that kind. Thank you for watching. Make sure you click like. Make sure you say bye-bye and click subscribe.